Hey everybody, Kelly Nyberg here with another Get Grilling segment with Nyberg's Ace Grill and Smoke Department. We're here with Jared Piggott, who's the manager at our West Side location at 41st and Sertoma. And Jared, I had to pull out my Randy Moss jersey because tonight we're talking about tailgating foods. You forgot your jersey.
Yeah, I did. It's all right.
That's
I'll allow
okay.
the Viking stuff.
Okay, good. Well, we are kicking it off with some delicious pickles tonight, right?
Pickles, bacon wrap pickles. Super easy. 6 ingredients, all you need. Pickles, whole kosher dills, sliced in half the long way. And then for the inside, it's just cream cheese, shredded cheese, some jalapenos, some bacon bits, and a little bit of our Richard Fergula seasoning carried at all of our locations.
Yum. And we wanted to pick a recipe that you can make in just a few minutes, put together in just a few minutes. Doesn't take a lot to cook it. So when you have your parties every weekend, all your tailgating parties, it's easy and convenient.
Yep. So you just put your cream cheese in there, get the bacon wrap on it. We've already got some going, so we'll be able to just pull them off and eat now, but something similar to that. And then right on your grill, 225, 250 for 2.5 hours until the bacon's cooked the way you like it.
Okay, so that's not long at all. And you've already had these going for a while. I am hungry per usual, so let's get a boat here. Pick one out. Now you said it's not going to be too spicy for me either, though.
No,
right?
no, not at all.
Okay. I got a good bite. That's delicious.
Very good, very easy.
Very, very good. Very easy. Now, while I'm chewing, tell us, we're here at the Superstore at 41st in Minnesota, but all of our grill and smoke departments have so much to offer. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yep, we carry everything from Weber. We were the first to bring it into the area. This is the Searwood here that we're using. We've got our Traegers, Rectech, Big Green Egg. If you're looking more for the pizza ovens, we have your Gosney, we have your Uni, we have just a little bit of everything. So come on in, check us out for all of your seasoning, sauces, rubs, and anything else you might need.
Yes, we do have it all at the Grill and Smoke Superstores here at Nyberg's Ace. Thanks for tuning in to another Get Grilling segment for this tailgating season.